We're going to make a miniature avocado today, and this is part of a mini-series making miniature stuff like, I don't know, today's avocado, carrots, barrels, and more. I'm cleaning up this dowel, which is pine, and the idea is to get a mini avocado out of it. Here in South Florida, I grew up around avocado trees, and many meals with the family included avocado slices into pieces and topped off with oil, lime, and salt as a side dish. Now here I'm deciding on the two ends of my little avocado, and we can start shaping it. There are a variety of shapes to these. Here in Miami, we always had the large, sort of pear-like shaped ones. Here at home, we had an avocado tree for as way back as I can remember. For a long time, it gave us fruit, and we always had them with our meals. We had so much that we would give them out in bags to all the neighbors, too. It's getting a little too thin, and oops. Alright, we have our piece. I'm going to score a pencil line from top to bottom, and we'll cut this in half on the scroll saw. It's just a matter of keeping it steady, and here are our two slices. When you cut open an avocado in half, one of the halves keep the seed that's inside. I need to make the seed to add to our fruit, so we'll turn a little half round. It's getting there, and this will add to the overall effect when the project is finished. Here's what we have so far. Let's mix some paint and color the avocado. I also dremeled out a round pocket for the other half of the avocado to make it more real. That's what you'd get, you know. One half with the seed, the other half hollowed out. Let's paint the seed. And we'll use a little wood glue to fasten the seed to the fruit. Here's our miniature avocado. I hope you like the project. It's so much fun and really easy to do as well. I have more of these simple, entertaining projects coming up, so be sure to subscribe if you've not done so, and I'll catch you guys next time.